BBG cars.
Be sure to mark both pieces A and B so you know which side is which. Okay, we're gonna split the case and get to the monolith inside. They call it monolith, like 2001 Space Odyssey. When you use a chisel like this, we have it. This inside doesn't have to be pretty. You can just get as much as you can out of it because there is still platinum inside of here. We're going to grind all these pieces so we can get ready for welding. Guys, as you can see, it's been joined together with a clamp. The edge is already beveled. All I'm going to do is I'm going to grind all this out better to make it look better so I can get a better weld. Alright, and the end caps will be installed here like that, and then this will be complete. And the other piece is right there. Okay, so stay tuned. Hold on, I'm going to get right back to you. Always wear proper PPE, gloves, glasses, and helmet. Since this is a stainless steel weld, I'm using stainless steel rod. You have to be careful with your eyes because the welding slag will pop back into your eyes. You have to be very careful with that. You see it? Did you see it pop over here? It's popping up. That. It's like popcorn. Okay, time to do a full weld. I want to see if I can get a good shot for you guys. There we go. I think that's a good picture. So as you can see, there's a hole here and a hole here. The heat's too high, so I adjusted it. I'll fix that in a minute. Okay, here's the result. There, stainless steel. Now, it's not the best welding in the world, but you know, I'm not a super duper welder. I am an expert mechanic, so it's okay. I like using stainless steel because stainless steel is a lot stronger than steel, and for my opinion, it has better coverage. So, okay. Remember, I was telling you guys the this mark right here before. So it's a reference mark. So when you put this thing back together, this is the reason for it. You see, right there. Now we just weld this in 4 spots. She's ready to be welded all the way around. Good, right? The popcorn is popping. I could hear it and feel it and see it. Very dangerous. Here's my welding result. It's a little bit better. I love stainless steel because it's so pretty, don't you? Now I don't mind welding this. I don't advise welding this way, but it's the only way I can to connect the pieces together. after fixing my welder, I had a situation. The arc welder went out. It's fixed now, so let's begin. There you go. The spraying with a high heat paint keeps it from getting all corroded. So should be ready to go and ready to be installed. Thank you all for watching the video. Off to the next one.